Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can use Opensea. So this is a beginner's guide for those people who do not know how to use Opensea, alright? So follow the steps. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on. First step, you want to come to opensea.io, the official website of Opensea, and then connect your wallet. So you need to create a wallet, alright? We have also made a video on how to do that, so you can do that. So I have already added Metamask wallet on my extension. So what I need to do is click on this little wallet thing over here on Opensea and choose the wallet which I have. I have Metamask, so I'm going to choose Metamask. And basically once I click on it, my Metamask will be connected. All right, now once it's connected over here, so in my case it got connected instantly, but in your case it might say you to do something. So make sure you just click on done, sign in, and you should be able to come into Opensea. Now once you have come to this Opensea account dashboard, after you log in into your account, you can choose whichever NFT you want. You can also search for the collection you want over here, or you can also pick from anyone over here. You can go the trending one or the top one, or you can go to the art section, collectible section, domain name. There's all these different sectors over here. You can choose whichever you want. All right, so let's say I wanted to buy this, go to a random one. So I'm just gonna go and explore over here, click on all NFT. So all the NFTs are gonna be shown, and I can also categorize them according to that, which I can buy now. So I can click on buy now. So all the NFT which I can buy now is gonna be shown, and their prices are also gonna be shown over here. So if I want to buy this, what I can do is click on it and click on where it says make offer, and I can enter the amount. So let's say he's trying to sell it for $60. So let's say if I want to buy it right now, then I can just write $60 over here and click on add WETH, which means $60 worth of Ethereum is gonna be loaded over here, which means don't worry about it. If he doesn't accepts the offer, my money is gonna be returned to me, but if he accepts the offer, then I'm gonna buy. So that's how you guys can make an offer or buy NFTs. And you can click on this, go on profile, and all the NFT which you have bought is gonna be under profile over here. And if you want to change your profile picture, you can click on this, change your profile picture. If you want to edit your username, click on this, go on setting. Once you go on setting, you can change your username over here, or you can add a bio, or you can enter your email, you can connect your Twitter, Instagram, your website over here as well. After you change anything, just make sure to come at the bottom, click on save to save it. All right, and you can go to the other settings as well. So yeah, and if you want to create an NFT, you can click on create your own NFT, upload it, and name your collection as well, and do all the stuff over here on this page. So that's basically how you guys can use Opensea for beginners. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. See you guys next time. Bye bye.